this pesky one!
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 1:15 p.m. At 11:10 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 65 knots from 40 nautical miles west of Northerly Island to 57 nautical miles southwest of Northerly Island, moving northeast at 60 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 11:55 a.m., Northerly Island around 12:10 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
Radio KZZ 81 Live.